Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to approve a sponsor request on the Cash application. So, if someone sends you a sponsor request on Cash App, you need to approve it before they can send you money. And here's how you do it. First, open the Cash App on your mobile phone. Then, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, simply check for a sponsor request by tapping on the Activity tab icon at the bottom. Then, look for pending sponsor request on another page. Now, if you see a pending request, tap on it, select approve to accept the request, and the sender will now be able to send funds to your account. Also, if you don't recognize the sender, do not approve the request to avoid scams. Now, once approved, the sponsor can now send money to your account, and you should always check your Cash App balance after approval. If needed, withdraw your funds to your linked bank account. Now, if you can't approve a sponsor request, there could be various reasons behind this. For example, the request may have expired, your Cash App isn't updated, or the sender may have cancelled the request. And if you still have issues, contact Cash App support via settings and support. So in conclusion, to approve a sponsor request on Cash App, go to Activity tab, find the pending request and approve it. This allows the sponsor to send money directly to your account. Always verify the sender before approving to avoid scams. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.